In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a Python script, a game or a program, into a standalone executable file that will be easy to share with your friends or customers. The procedure is very easy, so let's start. For this, we are going to use PyInstaller. PyInstaller is a program that converts Python programs into standalone executables under Windows, Linux, or macOS. PyInstaller is very easy to use, and the program turns our code into a single file, which is convenient for distribution. First of all, we need to install PyInstaller using pip. So we open the command prompt and we type pip install PyInstaller. A few seconds have passed and the PyInstaller module is now installed. So we are ready to use it. We can close the command prompt if we wish. Let's start by converting a simple Python script that does not use any external files. Let's convert the Pong game we developed in the previous video into an executable file that will be playable on any computer without the need to install Python or any additional modules. I have placed the code of the game inside a folder on my desktop, but it can be anywhere on the computer. So inside the Pong folder in the navigation bar up here, we just type cmd and we hit enter. A new command prompt window appears, and the cool thing is that it is already positioned inside the Pong folder. We type pyinstaller --one file because we want to export just one file, and then the script we want to convert, pong.py, and we hit enter. PyInstaller is now converting the Python code into an executable file. The procedure requires a few seconds to complete, and you might see some warnings at the terminal window. Don't worry, let the program do its thing, and if the last message you see is that the procedure completed successfully, you are good to go. We can now see that PyInstaller has created two new folders, one named build and the other is named test. You can safely delete the build folder, we don't need it. Inside the dist folder, we can see our executable. If we double click on it, we can see our game is running. Cool. As you can see, the game runs fine. One minor thing that we can fix is that in this project, we don't need the console to appear. So let's recreate the executable file and we add the no console flag to remove the console window. So we type pyinstaller --one file --no console pong.py. That's it. If we run the game once more, we can see that the console does not appear anymore. Our game is ready for distribution. We only need to share this .exe file. There is one more thing I would like to show you. If you are converting a program that uses external files, such as images, sounds, or fonts, the resulting file won't run by itself. Let's see an example. In the Snake folder, I have created a simple Snake game that needs to load some external files to run, like graphics, sounds, and fonts. If I run the snake.py script, you can see it runs perfectly fine. Let's convert it into an executable file. Again, in the navigation bar, we type cmd and then we enter the command pyinstaller --one file --no console snake.py. A few seconds later, in the dist folder, we can see the executable file. If we double-click it, we can see it does not work. It needs the external files, but it cannot find them. So all we have to do is to copy and paste the executable file in the Snake folder, where the original snake.py script is located. Now, if we run the executable file, we can see it works fine. Now, if we want to share this game as one file, all we have to do is to select the needed folders and the executable and create a compressed zip file. Now you can share this file and the receiver, all they have to do is to extract and run the file. Cool, huh? I hope you find this video useful. If so, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want to learn how to develop the Pong game I showed you in this video, check the detailed tutorial I have prepared. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.